Hey, check it. Hey, check it. Put the place up.
We gotta go to a hockey tournament in Golden. Trying to figure out what to do in this place. It's a ski town, but we don't ski, do we?
Well, we're gonna ski,
We're-
and we're gonna find
We'll
out
see.
what it has to offer. So let's see what happens.
All right. Okay, we're just arriving here, and I think that's our
Golden?
place. Is that our place?
You know what would be awesome if that was our place.
What, that place there?
Yeah.
You
What's
see
the
that?
address?
It's 925. Do you see the
No, I don't
number
see the
there?
address. Drive up.
Well, maybe it is that place. Let's go.
I don't remember. I booked it so long ago. I have no idea.
Let's go take a look.
It was 925.
You
Oh my God!
That is our place!
That is our place!
Oh no!
I totally forgot.
Awesome!
Yay! I can't wait to see it.
Put the place up. Yeah, we know what we made of. Can't get enough of you, boo. I'm a chaser. Face up. Now I feel a little major. Blink of an eye. Ego, I'm a taker.
Getting pretty excited. Wolves, what?
No running.
Oh, look at the wolf. Look at him. Wow. This is pretty awesome. Hanging out with wolves. Jaden, what do you think of this?
Cool.
You like wolves?
Yeah.
Would you like to meet that guy out in the wild?
You know,
We take them out for walks.
You take them out for walks.
It's
Do you have
something that
leashes?
No,
How do you not get eaten?
they don't want to eat you.
He just wants to play with us.
He just wants to play or eat you. What do you think?
Play.
So, this is what happens if you bring your kids here. You got to end up buying 2 stuffies. $19 each for these stuffies.
so they're not allowed to have any more things for the rest of their lives,
Yeah, that's the deal.
including snacks.
Yeah, so nothing.
Nothing.
Put the place up. Yeah, we know what we made of. Can't get enough of you, boo. I'm a chaser. Face up. Now I feel a little.
My dad got a head injury and we're at the hospital. So awesome. Jeez.
What are you doing at the hospital?
Stupid.
What did
I always
you
end
do?
up in the hospital for stupid things. Nothing spectacular.
And what did you do?
Whacked my head on a shower curtain rod. It's not too bad. Just bled more than it is. Don't need stitches. What's in the
it's kinda
stupid?
funny.
It's kind of funny. Yeah. I asked the lady, the cashier, what's awesome and interesting at this town. So she pointed me to a pedestrian bridge. So
I don't think it is.
that's got to be pretty amazing.
I like it actually.
It's pretty nice,
It's
actually.
nice and it smells like cedar. Look
Over
at the
this.
mountain view out there. You can't beat that.
We're here at the hockey game.
I didn't know we were on camera.
Yeah, we're on camera now. So we're just enjoying the game in Golden. Well, that's a sign you don't see every day. That was an intense game. Come back, 5-5 tie. Where are we going?
Coffee.
Love coffee. Is this the place?
Nope.
This is called Purcell. You guys roast your own beans here?
Yeah, first.
Going to dinner tonight. A place called the Fire Pit. Too much snow. Man, it's cold. We're trying to find our friend's motel room. It's freezing out. I hate cold. I'm so cold. I'm inside. So cold. At the pool. We drink.
We drink wine. You never know what you're gonna find in a small town, so we just saw some fireworks in Golden. Thought we'd stop by and check it out.
We don't know what the hell's going on. We just showed up here. They got fireworks and like walking horses. You guys know what's going on? And we don't know where your mom went. Where's mom? There she is. Only one car can fit on it. So hopefully nobody's coming the other way.